If everything is destined, why does God test us? From God's perspective, there is no test. It's your language. It's a mercy to you so that you understand, so that you can make sense of chaos and discipline. It's all for you. All words are for you, so that you know yourself. So that you know what love is and what hate is, what respect is and what lust is, what honesty is and what greed is, what strength is and what weakness is, what stubbornness is and what forgiveness is, what arrogance is and what humility is. And in all those parameters and experience of this life, you know what you did, how much you practiced arrogance and how much you practiced humility, how much you practiced lust and how much you practiced respect, so that you know what kind of energy you are, so that you know who you are and what you are capable of, so that you know whether you are one of the purest ones or one of the deceiving ones, so that you know how much you love God and how much you love the devil, so that you know that whether you want to go to God and the prophets or you want to go to the devil and his legions, it's all about you. All these languages are made for you. All this understanding is for you. And the wisdoms are for you. It's all about you. What has all of it got to do with God? He is looking at you. And He's given you all these opposites and created for you this life and given you time to express yourself. So that one day you will stop lying to yourself and live your truth and say, this is who I am.